Yes, the flights will begin taking off in the coming weeks from the Walmart Supercenter in Frisco, Texas, and the company plans to expand to a second location before the end of the year. The company says the coverage area from both stores will cover 60,000 homes, that is from the two stores they'll have open by the end of the year. The service will be available to homes within about 6 miles of the supported stores. Residents in those areas can order things like quick meals, groceries, essentials, and over-the-counter medicines. The drones can fly up to 65 miles an hour, and Wing says you'll get your items in under 30 minutes. How awesome is that? They use a retractable tether to gently deliver even delicate items, including challenging products like eggs and frozen treats. Wing's drones are largely automated and monitored remotely. Wing's technology allows operators to oversee the system from a remote location, which means pilots won't need to be stationed at stores or customer homes. The aircraft essentially fly themselves, so each operator is approved for safely overseeing many drones at the same time. Wing has already partnered with Walgreens for drone deliveries. Meanwhile, Walmart said in 2022 that its own Drone Up delivery service had covered around 4 million households in Arizona, Arkansas, Florida, Texas, Utah, and Virginia. However, the retailer reportedly laid off 418 Drone Up employees earlier this year, so I'm guessing it's not going the best. If you live in the DFW Metroplex, you can check eligibility by installing the Wing Drone Delivery app from the App Store or Google Play. You'll need to create an account and enter your address to view the results. A coming soon message means that you'll be covered as soon as deliveries begin. If the app tells you that you're not eligible, then Wing says it will add new DFW neighborhoods soon. In 2021, retired actor Bruce Willis gave video production firm Deepfake permission to use deepfake technology to insert his likeness into a series of advertisements. And the AI they trained for the project could allow him to keep entertaining fans well into the future. In March 2022, Willis's family announced that he would be stepping away from acting due to a recent diagnosis of aphasia, a language disorder that was impairing his cognitive abilities. One of the action star's last projects was a series of ads for Russian telecom company Megaphone. But it turned out he didn't really act in the commercials. The ads were deep fakes that used AI to insert Willis digitally into videos. To create them, Deepfake first trained AI on Willis's likeness using 34,000 images from when he was in his 30s and early 40s. After that 14-day process, the AI was able to superimpose Willis's face on the body of Konstantin Solovyov, the body double who sat in for Willis in the ads. Willis was paid an estimated $1 to $2 million for agreeing to have his digital twin appear in the ad series and seemed pleased with how the project turned out. With the advent of modern technology, even when I was on another continent, I was able to communicate, work, and participate in the filming, he said at the time. It's a very new and interesting experience, and I thank our entire team. Deepfake's engineers would reportedly just need 3 to 5 days to recreate Willis for any other future projects approved by the actor's estate. We create a digital asset for celebrities directly or for specific collaborations with their agents, Deepfake's CEO said in a press release. Our general mission is to help celebrities monetize their digital copies while being fully in control of their use and managing the rights.
Потому что ты привязан к работе.
Спецносок.
Пап, привет, есть минута?
Есть, но не больше.
У меня тест по географии. Какая самая глубокая река Америки?
Миссисипи.
Миссисипи.
Миссисипи, пароль верный.
Будь всегда на связи с детьми. Подключай бесплатный семейный тариф.
And happening in this week's What The? Check this out. This animal is just a genius. I've seen human beings shoot rubber bands before, but I've never seen a dog shoot rubber bands, and definitely didn't think that it could be this precise. Look at her. She hits the mark every single time. Such a smart dog. Sits there and waits for her owner to toss more rubber bands on the bed, and then shoots again. I'm not exactly sure how you train a dog to do this, or if the dog figured it out herself. I would like to know, because I've got a little West Highland Terrier that I have a feeling might be smart enough to handle this task. We just got him a puzzle box treat box recently, and he figured the thing out in about 30 seconds flat, and it was the most advanced version. Now, I'm going to see if I can get him to shoot some rubber bands as well. If you want to check this video out for yourself, it was posted onto Facebook under the page The Woof World. It's titled Genius Dog Slingshots Balloons with Rubber Band. Thanks for watching your weekly tech update. If you have a story you think we need to feature on the program, shoot me an email, djraymcneil@gmail.com. Find us on Facebook at Your Weekly Tech Update, and check out the podcast. Audio and video versions available on Google, iTunes, Audio Burst, and elsewhere on the interwebs. Till next time, I'm Ray McNeil. Stay safe and stay healthy, everyone. And now, here's your moment of joy. Your weekly tech update brought to you by Holiday Home Care, Phillip Island, Victoria, Australia. It's your turn to relax. Before you get on holiday on the island, contact Holiday Home Care. We can set up your residence or holiday rental, do the shopping for you, provide linen and towels, and make sure it's all ready by the time you get here, giving you more time to enjoy what Phillip Island has to offer. For more information, visit holidayhomecarepi.com or email holidayhomecarepi@gmail.com.